In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an SRT subtitle file from Premiere Pro. Before we start, make sure your captions are completely finished and properly synced in your timeline. Play through a few sections with audio on, check for typos, punctuation, and speaker changes, and confirm that each subtitle pops in and out at the right moments. If you see overlaps or gaps, tidy those up now so the exported file is accurate and easy to read. With your captions ready, open the export workflow by going to File, then Export, and choose Media. This brings up the export window where you set everything for your output. You'll notice several tabs across the top, like video and audio. The one we care about right now is Captions. Go ahead and click the Captions tab to view the subtitle-specific options for your export. Here's the key setting. Under Format, choose Sidecar File. A sidecar file keeps subtitles separate from the video, which is ideal when you want to upload captions to platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or social media, or hand them off to clients who need editable text. It also lets viewers toggle captions on and off rather than burning them into the image. Next, pick the file type. Select subrip subtitle or .srt. SRT is one of the most widely supported subtitle formats recognized by most players and platforms. It stores timecodes and text in a simple, reliable way, making it perfect for sharing or archiving your captions. If you've labeled your captions by language inside the timeline, keep the naming consistent so it's easy to tell which file is which later. Once those settings are in place, you're ready to export. Click Export and Premiere will save an .srt file alongside your video in the destination you've set for the render. If you're exporting video and captions together, you'll see the SRT appear in the same folder with a matching file name. That makes it simple to upload both to your platform of choice or to send them together to collaborators. If you're only updating captions, just replace the SRT in that folder